Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a tutorial now. What happened if I clear data in my gallery? I was looking around in the YouTube, but I didn't found nothing, and I was scared to do it to clear my data. I thought maybe I lose my files and my pictures and everything, but I will try it today. What happened? If you can see here, I have my picture. You can see here downloads 3,400 something, just for reference. Okay, we go. First of all, I did back up my picture, my gallery in my laptop to be sure 100%. Okay, we go settings, and we go here device care, storage. Okay, let's check advanced where our gigabyte are eaten. Okay, other apps. What's other apps? We can here see gallery. We have here data 51 gigabyte data. Now, the first I was very scared to clear my data. I was looking on YouTube, but I didn't found a video that show me what happened, and that's why I'm doing this video, to show you guys what happened. Okay, we go clear data. All of this application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, account, database. Okay, let's check. All gone. Now we cleared our data. Let's check, did we get our storage back? Okay, guys, you can see now, before we had 126, I think, gigabyte used. Now we have just 78.9 or 62% of used. Okay, 49% available. That's very good. Okay, let's go back to my gallery to check, did I lose my pictures? Let's check. Okay, allow location, allow. Okay, albums. We can see here I didn't lose anything. So guys, here downloads 3,427, the same what I had before. Okay guys, that's it for the video. I hope you learned something, and don't be scared to clear your data and free up your space. Okay, see you next time. Bye.